Hey my babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mbali, also known as Mbali. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me yet again on this channel over here on our channel. And if you are here for the very first time, that is okay. You can also become a part of the family by clicking the subscribe button down below. Please do that if you can. So today's video is a fun one. I've done one of these before, so I'm really excited to get into today's video. As you can tell by the title and by the thumbnail, I will be reviewing some luxury items that I got recently, that I got sent recently by POPSTOCK. So thank you so much for POPSTOCK for gifting me with these items, and I'm going to tell you guys about my experience and about my thoughts on the products that I got from POPSTOCK. If you aren't familiar with POPSTOCK, POPSTOCK is basically a site that sells replica luxury items, right? There's a massive range that you can get your hands on. You can even go and search the site. You can search it by the brand that the luxury brand that you would like. You can search it via handbags if it's a handbag that you're looking for, or via shoes, the kind of clothing, the type of or the kind of item that you want. They have shoes, they have handbags, they have literally everything you can think of. They have it on POPSTOCK. Without any further ado, let's get straight into the video and I will show you what I got from POPSTOCK. Okay, so here we are. We got some Gucci. We got some Gucci, honey. So when POPSTOCK actually reached out to me, I was like, you know what, let me go with items that I wouldn't necessarily get. And I came up with these two items. I like the one item more than the other. I like the bag, so I have bags and a pair of shoes and a bag. I like the bag more than I do the shoes, but it's my own fault because I know I'm not someone that's into color, and yet I went to go get something that had color in it, which I'll go from my least favorite item to my favorite item. My favorite item. But I'll start off with the shoes over here. So they come in this package. So I do know from the reviews that I have seen from POPSTOCK that they do send the packages, the items with packaging, you know, the paper bag. I just didn't get a paper bag in my package, but I'm sure if you're ordering from them, you can just ask them to be sure that they add in the paper bag. I don't necessarily care for it because I don't use it, and I also didn't like really post about this over here, but I'm sure that's something that you can check because it is something that they provide. So the box over here, as you can see, is like the Gucci maybe. The box over here is like the Gucci packaging that we all know and love. So it's quite sturdy. The packaging is quite sturdy. On this side over here, it shows, I accidentally ripped that. On this side over here, it shows what the item is, barcodes and all of that. So if you're into, like, you know, something looking really authentic, this is how the packaging would look. So okay, I will open up the box over here. It came with this dust bag over here. So usually when you're getting something from Gucci, they will have one dust bag per pair of shoes that you have, but they only sent in one. I think maybe they missed it and only had one put in instead of two, but it would come in two. Sometimes the shoes are actually wrapped in the dust bag, but that was not the case with this over here. So yeah, again, if you are ordering from POPSTOCK and you're really looking for the entire experience, I would say because you can communicate with them, I would say communicate with them via WhatsApp or via your email. It's really easy to keep in contact with them. You can maybe just contact them and ask them to check, maybe send you pictures and show you, because that's also what they do. They send you pictures before they post it off, send you pictures to actually show you what is included. Anyway, opening up the paper bag over here, you can see here the shoes are. So now you know what they are. They are the Gucci slides that we all know and love, but of course they come in different variants, and the variant that I chose is something that I've never actually seen before, and I thought, let me get it because it's something that I wouldn't get, so I can see how it is. And I actually shocked myself because the minute I put these slides on, I literally screamed because I was like, no ways. Color literally freaks me out. These are the Gucci slides. Let me just bring them up close so you can see. Quality is really good on them. They're not as heavy as I expected. I know a lot of people that actually get these do say that they're quite heavy, but they're not heavy. They are bulky, but they're quite light. I don't know if it's obviously just probably the replica, but they are comfortable to walk in. I think the attention to detail is really great. Everything literally looks exactly like the slide, the actual slide. I checked online, I haven't seen it in person, but I checked online and it literally looks like the exact slide. Also with the color and the stitching as well. Some of the stitching in the color, it's not like just one particular color. The stitching is overlapping with another color that they got and they nailed to the T. As you can see, they are not the exact same. So you would have a different set of colors on the right shoe versus the left shoe, and this is obviously lighter, this is more the warmer kind of colors, and they got that to the T as well. So I'm really impressed with how this one turned out. I decided to size up with these shoes and get myself the Euro 39, which is a size 6, and not my real size, which is the 38 to size 5, because I have a very wide foot. So my foot is quite wide, so I would prefer having, when it comes to sandals, I usually take a size bigger, especially if I haven't tried the shoe on before. I would rather size up just to be safe. And I think that was a safe bet for me to size up. I don't know, the only issue that I have with the shoe, and I'm not sure if the issue is because I sized up, but the front part over here, I feel that it's too big. Or I can say that the strap perhaps is a little backward than I would have expected. So when I put my feet through, I can see kind of the cleavage of my toes, like almost all of it, and I'm not really a fan of that. I prefer having just like my toes, just a little of the skin on my toes showing when I'm wearing these kind of shoes. I would have loved for the strap to be more forward. I'm not sure if it is because I sized up, but I suspect it could be because I sized up, and that's why I'm seeing what I'm seeing over here. Had I gotten my own size, it might not have been an issue, but also now we won't ever know. But yeah, I'm excited to try these out in summer. Obviously it's winter right now, I can't wear it now, but I'm excited to try it out. I think I have that set of mine that I got from Shein that would look great with this, like, you know, that linen two-piece set, like something linen, something really chilled, something really cute, or with a pair of shorts and a nice tank top. Can't wait to try these out. All right, moving along to my favorite. I cannot get enough of this bag. I've never worn it before, but I'm really excited to style it. So I'm not just going to be wearing it out, I'm definitely going to take my time to actually style it because it deserves its own moment. Okay, so it comes in this box over here, again the Gucci box. Both of these boxes I actually got in the package that POPSTOCK sent me. They had, like, you know, the envelope with kind of the receipt, the whole situation going on. So again, if you really want to stunt on them, you definitely can do that, because they do provide you with all of those things to be able to stunt on them package. Oh, actually, speaking of which, here it is right here. Also, the ribbon that they sent me, this was in the box with the bag, but of course the ribbon is too short to actually wrap it around the bag. But again, something that you can ask them. You can also ask them to wrap it for you. Their packaging is really good and really durable, so I'm sure you're able to ask them and they can wrap it for you. Mine just didn't come wrapped. Let's open this box like that. So when you open it up, you know, you get this little dust bag. It's actually silk, and the bag is inside here. Looks like the real deal, but then when then when you open the dust bag, out comes the most gorgeous bag I have ever laid my hands on. Hands and eyes, laid my eyes on. The cutest, stunning bag. This bag here, my babes, is the Gucci 1955 Whisper GG Supreme mini bag, and it's a leather bag, of course. It does not only come in this color over here, you get one that has the brown over here, and you also get the ones that are in solid colors, like a solid cream or a solid brown or a solid black. But this is the one that I chose, and I think it looks so stunning. When I tell you that the quality on this bag is phenomenal, I literally mean it. It is phenomenal quality. I'll put the prices on screen, but as you can see, attention to detail literally there. The zippers over here, let's check the zippers. The zipper has Gucci written on it. I'm not sure if you can see. This over here is definitely 100% leather. And if you look, this is the bottom of the bag. Of course, it has those stoppers over here preventing your bag from falling flat or standing on the floor. The zippers, it's a double zip and it goes all the way down to the sides over here. So let me zip it. You can even hear when I'm zipping that the hardware is really good quality. Further to the hardware, you have this loop over here on either side of the bag, and those are obviously for the bag strap. And this is the whisper detailing over there, and it is a top handle mini bag. Oh my gosh, this thing looks so pretty. Okay, I'll let that down. I'm just going to take out what is inside. Take out over here, this is the strap. Again, I really love how this hooks on. It's so innovative. If you have a look at it over here, it's not like the normal, you know, clamp that you would get. So you just press it on the sides and it opens up. Again, here as well has Gucci engraved right there. How gorgeous. Let me try and put on the strap. So let's open it up and plug it in. All right, so then this is the situation that you have with the strap. Yeah, so you can definitely wear it as a crossbody. I tested it as a crossbody. You can. This reminds me a lot of the versatility and the size and everything. It reminds me a lot of the Louis Vuitton bag. This is a little slimmer than the Louis Vuitton bag, and I feel like it looks better than, I'm saying Louis Vuitton, the Louis Vuitton Alma BB. The Louis Vuitton Alma BB that I have, that I also got from a replica store that got sent to me. I would say this looks more classic, more grown up, more elegant and sophisticated than the Alma BB. Nothing wrong with the Alma BB, it's a great bag as well, but I just feel like this bag over here is less casual than the Alma BB would come across, you know. Oh my gosh, this bag right here, 10 out of 10. This is, the quality on it is phenomenal. It's amazing quality, it's insane. So those are the items and I absolutely love it. Of course, like I said, my favorite item that I got was the bag, and the least favorite were the shoes, but you know, if it's your vibe, it's your vibe. Had I gotten it like in denim or anything like that, I would have been really happy about that. So a couple of last notes. The courier company that POPSTOCK uses is UPS. So my package took about 2 weeks to get delivered to my doorstep. Yes, you will pay customs, but what POPSTOCK does is they refund you for the customs that you have to pay to get the items. So my customs for these 2 items were around 580 Rand, and they offered actually to refund that, which is really great. But the items get delivered to your doorstep by UPS, and of course UPS, similar to DHL, they get in contact with you once the package lands in South Africa so they can do the customs clearance part, and then they have it sent over to you and delivered to your door. All the details to POPSTOCK's websites and the items that I got are in my description box below. So if you wish to check them out, if you wish to check out their sites or the Instagram page, all of those details are in the description box below, so make sure that you check it out. Other than that, babes, all I can say is I'm really happy with these items. I'm so excited to style them, especially the bag. So to my babes that are actually after this video deciding that they are going to be purchasing some items from POPSTOCK, POPSTOCK was kind enough to give me a discount code, and I will leave it right here on screen, so you can definitely use my discount code when you are purchasing your items from POPSTOCK. Alright babes, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for staying tuned until the end. I will see you guys in my next video. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you do subscribe. I will catch you guys in my next video. Love and light to you and yours. Bye babe.